YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. And you guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Happy holidays to everybody. Stay warm this year around. And here we go. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. And we shall see what it is. Ooh. Alright, here we go. This is going to be WeArPulse, Bluetooth Pulse Oximeter. So those things that they put on your finger. I forgot what it reads, but they do something. Here we go. Built-in 80 hours of memory. Continuous recording every second. OLED display. Bluetooth connection. So you can connect it to an app. I'm going to have to grab my other phone again. Product name, Pulse Oximeter. Okay, be right back. Alright, now I got my phone. We're ready to rock and roll. And like I said, there's going to be an app to download. And you can keep track of your info. And like I said, you can do it from home. And then you get questions. Just, go see your doctor and let them know. So this is just a good thing to have around for anybody to have. Especially the older folks, including myself. Because now I'm at that age level. It gets scary after this. So here we go. That's nice packaging. And I guess you pull from here. Here we go. Drop you guys down right there. We got the white box. Ooh. Okay. We got a nice little manual. 1-year warranty. It's always a good thing. Download the app. So we got an app to download. iOS, Android, either or. And what is the app called? So I guess we're going to have to scan the QR code to figure that out. No, app. Yep. Alright. Be right back. Alright guys, just in case you don't know how to do the QR, just find it. There we go. And it'll pop up right there. Click on that. Then it's going to pull up any second. VI Health. So in case you don't want to do the QR code, type in VR Health on your iOS or Android, Google Play Store, Apple Store. Should take a second to download. Not now. There we go. It's going. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Here we go. We got it. Installing. That should take a second. And of course, it's going to ask you for the agree. I agree. And it says get the latest. Hold on. Alright guys, it's going to ask you for your info, login, sign up, guest mode. So we're going to log in. I don't have an account yet, so sign up. Okay, once you get inside, it's going to ask you for your name. Whoops, sorry about that. Phone almost dropped. Gender, birth date. Let's put stout. Gender, male. Birthday, oh man. 4/19. April 19th. Got that down. Boom, boom, boom. 5'11". You can switch centimeters to feet. 6'1". one. And then weight. That's none of your own business. You can put kg, pounds. We'll set it for pounds because we're sure on this big one. Okay, and then now it's going to ask you for the device. We have to show the device now. It should be fun. There we go. And of course, it comes with the USB to charge it up, but it should be charged right now. And it comes with one of these lanterns, so you won't lose it. You can take that with you on the road. Oh, these are nice ones. Probably better than the doctors they get. So if you know a nurse, doctor, you might want to get this for them for this holiday or birthdays or whatever. If I could get this, well, put that right there. Okay, now we'll move this. Here is the device. Really nice. Bluetooth. This is where you charge it. Focus, there you go. On top right there, USB. Right above the Chrome. Make sure you peel the sticker. Nice OLED display. And so you stick your finger in here. Like this. Oh, it doesn't even hurt. Feels good. Like the doctors. When I go to version 1.0. Oh, finger out. Here we go. Allow. Maybe I gotta put my finger in it. Turn it on. Ah, there we go. Yep. SA. So once you get it, put this on your finger, and then it will connect to it. Whoa. Pulse rate, oxygen level. I think I'm alive. Give it a few seconds. Trying to remain calm and steady. It's kind of hard for me to do while recording. I think I'm alright. This is really cool. There's my pulse rate down in the middle, 114 minutes. Oxygen, 96%. I think that's good. I think it's going to beep once it's off. So record the data onto your app. And like I said, once a week, once a month, whenever you go see your doctor, you always show them, tell them that, hey, I got this thing, and these are my results. You can always compare, Gotta love this new technology. Really cool. Don't mind that dot. I have water damage on the phone. This is my backup phone anyway, so I think it's about done. Oh, so it takes about 2 minutes. Okay, so this might be a little long video. And then there's always firmware. Here we go. I'm going to pause you guys. This is going to take 2 minutes. All right, now we got it. And think about right time, 2 minutes. Maybe not. There's a premium package. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we got it. So start time 309, measurement time 4 minutes 52 seconds, drops per hour. So I'm looking pretty good. Oxygen level is 95 to 97. Mine's there. Pulse rate is 85 to 120. I think that's right. And you can always add notes. So this is really cool, really helpful. You can join the premium they have going on. And there's my age and everything, email, contact, dashboard. If it's not connected, you could connect. Should connect easily. But once I put it in, there you go. See? Bada boom, bada bing. This is a really cool thing. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. Pretty much show all the history right there. I already showed that. So, like I said, if you're looking something different, check these guys out. And I'll leave my affiliate link down below. You guys can place your order now. And then, like I said, here's Leonard, whatever you want to call it. Pretty good size. Forgot where it is. Oh, but you gotta loop it through. Oh, okay. There, you gotta loop it through that hole right there. Okay. And there's one right underneath it. You guys can see it. Got a pinch and loop it through. It's always a fun part. There we go. Once you, it's kind of hard to see, loop it through. There we go. Perfecto. And it's, you know, the drill. Make sure you take this and then make sure it's nice and tight. And you'll be good to go. Make sure you get that out. There we go. See? You can have it around your neck. And then you're good to go. All right, YouTubers. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. And take it easy. Be safe.